Persian tiles from the end of the 12th century to the mid-14th century can be divided into several groups according to various aspects. Firstly, based on the pottery techniques applied on them, tiles are distinguished as luster painted, minai, large baldina, underglaze painted, monochrome glazed, and partially glazed. When categorized by their usage or position in a building, they are divided into such groups like interior wall tiles, floor tiles, exterior wall tiles. Well, yesterday our discussion was there was no floor tiles, but from Texas Raymond, they have found hexagonal and triangular floor tiles. I didn't know that this was a discussion today, this time, but so I didn't bring the pictures or plan this time, but there were floor tiles. And also exterior wall tiles. And interior wall tiles can be divided into several groups, like this is a schematic diagram of a wall, and mihrab tiles, and Dado tiles, and border tiles, and then Frieze tiles. And furthermore, tiles can be divided according to the nature of their decoration. Religious tiles bear religious inscriptions mainly quoted from the Quran, and vegetal and geometric decoration in most cases. On the other hand, secular tiles bear inscriptions of Persian verses whose contents vary, such as epic poems, verses composed by panegyric poets, or those by Sufi poets. Their decoration includes human and animal figures in addition to vegetal and geometric designs. In case of Dado tiles, the main field contains painted decoration, and the inscriptions are written around the rim in counterclockwise. The left one is an example of religious style with Quranic inscription from Shangri-La collection, and the right one is an example of secular tile with the inscription from Shahnameh, both are from Shangri-La collection. Rectangular or square frieze tiles is usually divided into a few bands which contain either inscriptions or painted decoration, some of which are molded in relief. The left tile is an example of a religious frieze tile which is dated to 710 and bears Quranic quotation in the Shangri-La collection. And the other is a secular one in the Walters Art Gallery, Baltimore. It carries both image and quotations from Ferdowsi's Shahnameh. Here's inscription also. The designs of the upper field are indicator of the set of tiles. If tiles share the same design of the upper field, they belong to the same series of decoration. This design, molded in relief, seems unique to certain series and seems not to have been used in a different series in a different building. They were made with molds which were most likely used only for one building project. There are a few exceptional tiles which combine religious inscriptions and figurative motifs. Bird figures often accompany accompany Quranic quotations. It seems that they were not regarded as figurative on tiles from this period, these birds. Both may have been associated with some funeral context of the usage of the tile. Like they are depicted in the painting of funeral of Isfandiar in the Great Mongol Shahnameh, like